Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to quickly diagnose your lawnmower. This is a Craftsman M230. Model number is 12avb2r3793. Pretty much same rule applies to any gas motor. 95% of what I do in this shop is carburetor work. So the first thing I go to every time is carburetor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the air filter cover and the air filter. Alright. Before I do anything else, I'm going to try to start this lawnmower. And nothing's happening. Everything feels right though. So the next thing I'm going to do is just squirt a little, I'm using brake cleaner, but carb cleaner, starting fluid, anything, even a little squirt of gas is fine. And it doesn't take much, just a little bit. Try it again. Alright, so it shut off on its own. So basically what we did was we bypassed the carburetor on this with a fuel, an accelerant, so that it can go right straight into the cylinder, under compression, explode, and fire up and start. So this one is a carburetor. Let's say it doesn't start though. So the next thing that you're going to do on it is check spark. You got spark, now you're going to pull the plug out, check the plug. If it's wet with like oil or something like that, you may be over full on oil, check your oil, or maybe you tipped it up on its side. If you did that, there's going to be oil all in your cylinder. So you may have to rinse off the spark plug a few times with carb cleaner, you know, and put it in, try it again. You're gonna have to do that sometimes up to 10 times. Just pull it back out, rinse it again to get that oil out of the cylinder. Once it fires and runs, leave it running. No spark means you got a bad coil. This one's a carburetor. So the next video on this is going to be how to rebuild the carburetor on this. Alright guys, hope this helped you out. If it did in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to help you. I'll put like a tune-up kit in here with a spark plug and air filter and stuff like that for you. Just click on the link below. Peace.